How to set up a post-processor and export Gcode for machines with the Redline Motion Control System in Vectric. In the upper left, click Machine, and that will take us to the Machine Configuration Management. Click the Download from the Cloud button in the upper right to search for the machine database online. A download bar will pop up. At this point, it will ask you if you would like to continue. Click Yes. It will install the post-processor database. When finished, choose Onefinity under Manufacturer dropdown. Under Series, choose Apprentice if you have the Apprentice series, or Elite Redline if you have a Gen 1 or Gen 2 with the Redline Motion Control System. Under Model, choose your model size. In this example, we're choosing our 4x4 Foreman. Under Configuration, select Defaults if you are going to do regular 3-axis machining. If you've added a rotary, you can select Rotary as well. This will install our post-processors for the Redline Motion Control System into Vectric. The associated post-processors will show up below. Push OK and they are now installed. To export Gcode, click the Save Gcode that has a floppy disk icon on the right-hand side. Choose your newly installed machine and then select the proper post-processor below. In this example, we're selecting Elite Redline Foreman and then selecting Onefinity Redline Inch post-processor. Click Save Toolpaths and your Gcode is ready for the machine.